In shopping, a coupon is a voucher that gives its holder a discount at a certain retailer. This could be in the form of a paper voucher or a code that is given to the cashier or used at an e-commerce website to claim the discount. Let's see how to use coupons in NP Retail. First, let's see how to set up the coupon type. Press the search button and type coupon type. Select the first option that offers 10% off. In the General tab, set the discount type. It can be a percentage or a fixed amount. You can also see how many open coupons there are currently of that specific coupon type. There is an Issue tab where you control all things related to issuing a new coupon, example how to print it and what reference number pattern it should use. The Validate tab sets up the rules for coupon validation. Finally, the Apply Discount tab lets you set up how the discount is applied when using the coupon. Example, if the coupon can be used more than once. Let's create a new coupon that can be used at the point of sale. Press the Issue Coupons button and select the number of coupons you want to generate. There are 11 open coupons. Let's check the last one and find the reference number. This number can be used at the point of sale. Let's see how to use the coupon in the POS. First, scan the item number, then scan the coupon reference number we generated. You can see we are getting a 10% discount on the item line, and the discount adds to the item itself. Let's see how another setup works. In this case, you get a specific item for free if you purchase 2 specific items and have a coupon. So under Apply Discount, you select Extra Item QTY. Let's see how to set it up. Under Setup Validate Coupon, you define which items the rule applies to. Under Setup Apply Discount, you specify what item you get for free. In this case, it's one of our famous chocolate cupcakes. Let's test it in the POS system. I scan the 2 items. Then the coupon and automatically get a chocolate cupcake for free. Here's how a different coupon works. These coupons are issued when certain items are sold. First, select the sale action in the Issue Coupon module. Then go to Setup at the top and choose Setup Issue Coupon, where you define what items should trigger a coupon of 6 to 5 in value. Now let's see how it works at the POS. First, we scan the item number for the cooker in the POS system. As soon as we scan it, we notice that the system automatically issues a coupon with a value of 6 to 5 T. Now, let's take a closer look at how it appears in the back-end system, where we currently have an issue regarding coupons. These coupons have been issued with a total value of 6 to 5 units.